Good morning, grade 3. How are you today? Today we're going to continue in the same chapter. We're going to take lesson 3 and lesson 4. This is the first video. It explains lesson 3. So stay with me and understand it. Then when you finish it and when you do the homework, open the next video to watch lesson 4. Lesson 3, hands-on, estimate and measure mass. So today we're going to talk about something we call mass. What is mass? It is the amount of matter or material in an object. For example, look to those pennies. Pennies are made of copper. So how much copper inside the pennies? This is mass. Look to the baseball bat. It is made of wood. So how much wood is inside the bat? This is mass. So the amount of matter or material in an object, it is mass. So in the metric system, we use kilogram to measure the mass of great mass objects. Okay, so if objects are big and you think that they weigh a lot, we use kilogram to measure them because they are heavy. Okay, so we use kilogram to measure the mass of heavy objects. Okay, this is the only information I want you to know from this page. Skip measure it and open the next page. Now the smaller unit or a smaller unit of mass is gram. So we talked about two mass units. The first is kilogram. We use it to measure heavy objects. So we use gram to measure light objects. Okay, so like the paper clip, pasting cube, they are light, they have a less mass. That's why we use gram as a unit of measuring, not kilogram. Also, we're not going to do try it, so skip it, please. Let's answer questions page 647. Okay, practice it. Circle the better unit to measure each mass. The toothbrush. Do we measure the mass of toothbrush using gram or kilogram? Gram. The television. Kilogram. The shovel. Think about it. I will show you the answers. So the shovel in kilogram, teddy bear gram, pair of sunglasses gram because they are light, lawnmower kilogram. Okay, now circle the better estimate for each mass. Now the watermelon, is it 5 gram or 5 kilogram? Which mass describe it better? Yes, kilogram. Now this brush, 50 gram or 50 gram or 5,000 gram, which is 5 kilogram. Yes, 50 gram. This fish, 4 gram or 4 kilogram. It looks very big for me, so kilogram. The bicycle, kilogram. The car, kilogram. Okay, this kind of money, gram. Excellent. That's it for this page. I will show you the answers. Write them fast. Okay. This is the rest. Those are the rest of questions. Write them fast. Circle the answers and open the next page. Okay. Let's read each question and try to solve it. A store in the mall sells fresh packed pretzels. Would it be more responsible to measure the mass of a packed pretzel in gram or kilogram and explain? This is the pretzel. A store is selling them. So does it make sense to say that this pretzel weighs kilogram or a gram? Yes, gram. So we're going to measure it using grams or kilograms. Grams. So pretzels do not have much mass. That's why we're going to measure them using grams. As usual, and as I told you a lot, don't write the word of sample answer, okay? I know that some of you are doing this, so don't write sample answer, just write the answer. Okay. Question 2. Mrs. Charles grows squash in her garden. Which would be a more responsible estimate for the mass of the squash? 500 grams or 500 kilograms? Look at it. Is it able that this will equal 500 kilograms? Like the car mass? No, so only 500 grams. Don't write the rest of the answer, okay? Just write 500 grams. Don't write the explanation. Okay. A bag of potatoes has a mass of about 3 kilograms. Name two other items that have about the same mass. يعني about 3 kilograms. Maybe a bag of apple, a bag of flour. Okay? Yeah, you can. By the way, the mass is written above things that we can buy, like the rice, the sugar, the flour. You will find the mass written on them. For example, 5 kilograms, 10 kilograms. So, a bag of apples, a bag of flour. So, write those. Let's see the next question. Jake held an apple in his hand. He said, "This apple feels like it has a mass of 100 kilograms." Explain his error. What should Jake have said? Can you imagine what does 100 kilograms mean? Yes, this is so heavy. So is the apple weighs like this? No. So an apple would not have the mass of about 100 baseball pads. He should have said it felt like it had a mass of 100 grams. So write the answer from here to grams. No need for you to write this. Okay? Yes. Write about it. What is different about the items you measured in grams and those you measured in kilograms? We said that the items in grams were lighter, has less mass than the items we measured using kilograms, which are very heavy. Okay? Yes, write the answer. Stop the video here, write the answer, then open the next page. Now, in the next page, you have my homework. Okay, so my homework page 649, 650 is a homework. Do it, and when you finish doing it, open your books, lesson 4, page 651. That's it for this lesson. When you finish doing it, open the second video to see explanation for lesson 4.